Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the Windows firewall service does not start on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer with error message reads Windows could not start the Windows firewall on local computer. For more information, review the system event log. If this is a non-Microsoft service, contact the service vendor and refer to the service specific with error code number 13. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions I recommend doing would be just to reset your Windows firewall settings back to default. So in order to do that, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung control panel. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And next step, dito lang sa upper right side, makikita mo dito yung category. So i-click mo lang tong arrow na yan. And then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung large icon para makita mo lahat yung settings. And next step, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows Defender Firewall. So itap mo lang yan. And dito sa kanyang left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Restore Default. So i-click mo lang yan. At makikita mo na kagad dito yung Restore Default Settings. Restoring default settings will remove all Windows Defender Firewall settings that you have configured for all network locations. This might cause some apps to stop working. Okay? So, i-click mo lang tong Restore Default. And then, Restore Default's confirmations. And then, next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung Yes. And after dito, and then next step or next solution na pwede natin gawin. So, close lang natin. And then, dito lang sa search menu. And then, dito sa search for apps. So, type mo lang dito yung CMD. Or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So, kailangan mo lang mag-right click dito. And then, kailangan mo lang select dito yung Run as Administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung Yes. And dito sa Administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsym /online /cleanup-image /restore health. So, copy lang natin yan. And then, next step ay dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And select mo lang dito yung edit. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung paste. Or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B. And then, press mo lang yan. And then, kailangan mo lang i-press yung enter. So, makikita mo lang kaagad dito yung deployment, image servicing, and management tool. So, dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And makikita mo na dito na the restore operations completed successfully. And then next command keyword na kailangan natin i-type. So type mo lang yung command keyword na shc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. The process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan ulit natin na hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And the next step natin gagawin, so close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows Firewall service does not start in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.